Need to configure your AutoCAD plot output and working with STB files? These control how your drawings translate to printed output. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and manage these AutoCAD plot style table files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the STB format and dozens of others obsolete. STB files are named plot style, table files for AutoCAD containing print configuration data that controls how drawing objects appear when plotted or printed. They define name styles with settings for color, line weight, line type screening, and other plot properties that can be assigned to individual objects and layers for precise print output control. AutoCAD STB files use a binary format, storing named plot style definitions with properties including color mapping, line weight assignment line end, and join styles. Fill pattern screen percentage and virtual pen number. Name styles provide object-level plot appearance control as an alternative to color-dependent CTB plot style tables. AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. should be your first choice when attempting to open STB. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows provides a textual interface to config files, but modifications demand caution. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your STB file, then click Open With. Test AutoCAD if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the STB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Given the proprietary nature of this STB file, basic errors are the norm. We just need to confirm a few specific settings before proceeding to the actual fix. First, editing in AutoCAD. Open AutoCAD and access the Plot Style Manager through File, then Plot Style Manager or type Styles Manager at the command line. Double-click the STB file to open the Plot Style Table Editor. Create, modify, or delete named plot styles and adjust their color, line weight, and screening properties for print output. Next, assigning plot styles. Assign named plot styles to objects and layers in your AutoCAD drawing through the Properties panel or Layer Properties Manager. Select objects and choose a name style from the Plot Style property dropdown. Each style applies its configured color, line weight, and other settings when the drawing is plotted or printed to PDF. Finally, converting between STB and CTB. AutoCAD drawings use either named STB or color-dependent CTB plot style modes set at drawing creation. Convert between modes using the Convert pstyles command. Note that conversion changes how plot styles are assigned throughout the drawing and may require reassigning styles to objects and layers after conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.